Welcome to this detailed tutorial on using Spotlight mode on WordPress in 2025. In the next few minutes you will learn how to navigate WordPress and activate Spotlight mode, a feature that simplifies your editing workspace and removes unnecessary distractions. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to WordPress. Once you have arrived at the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see a login option. Click on this login button to begin the process of accessing your account. After you click on the login button, a new window will allow you to choose your authentication method. In this tutorial, you will be using the Continue with Google option. Click on Continue with Google and then carefully select the Google account you wish to use. This simple action securely logs you into your WordPress site and sets the stage for further customization. Once you have successfully signed in, you will find yourself on your WordPress dashboard. Look for the quick links section within this area. Here you will see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to open the site editor. This step is vital as it brings up the interface where you will be able to customize and fine-tune your website's appearance and functionality. After the site editor loads completely, move your attention to the top right corner of the interface. Here you will notice a set of 3 dots that indicate additional settings are available. Click on these 3 dots to open a new menu that contains further customization options. Within this newly opened menu, locate the Preferences option. Selecting Preferences will lead you to a page where you can adjust various settings related to your user interface. These settings are designed to offer flexibility so that your editing environment is tailored to your personal work style. Once you are in the Preferences area, proceed to find the Appearance section. Click on Appearance to manage visual elements that control how your editor looks and feels. Personalizing the appearance is important because it allows you to create a workspace that is both efficient and visually appealing. In the appearance settings, look for the option labeled Spotlight Mode. Activate Spotlight mode to streamline your editing interface. When you turn on Spotlight mode, the interface minimizes unnecessary elements and focuses on the key components that you need for editing. This mode is particularly useful when you want to concentrate solely on creating and editing content without distraction. By following these steps, you have successfully navigated from logging into WordPress to entering your site editor and finally activating Spotlight mode. Each step in this process is designed to simplify your experience and enhance your productivity when working on WordPress. Thank you for following this tutorial carefully. With Spotlight mode enabled, you can now enjoy a clearer, more focused editing environment that makes managing your website easier and more efficient. Enjoy your streamlined WordPress experience and happy editing.